If equipped, the 12-way power driver seat controls are located on the outboard side of the seat, which can be moved forward, rearward, up, or down by moving the seat switch in the desired direction. To tilt the front of the seat cushion up or down, pull or push the front of the seat switch in the desired direction. For better leg support, use the cushion extender switch to move only the seat cushion forward or backward. The seat back switch not only controls the angle of the seat back, but has 2 buttons to extend or retract the seat back bolsters if equipped. The lumbar switch will increase or decrease lumbar support and move it up or down. The front passenger seat may offer power or manual adjustment. For manual controls, move the seat forward or rearward by pulling up on the bar under the seat. Pull up on the seat back lever to adjust the angle of the seat back. The front seat 4-way head restraints can be raised by simply pulling up on the headrest, or lowered by pushing the adjustment button at the base of the restraint and then pushing down on the headrest. To adjust the headrest forward, pull the top toward the front of the vehicle as desired and release. To adjust it rearward, pull it to the frontmost position and release. This will reset it to the rearmost position. Outboard second and third row head restraints are not adjustable, but will automatically fold forward when the seats are folded flat. The driver's and front passenger seat backs may be equipped with the power massage feature, which can be turned on or off through the massage button located on the door panel or through the comfort screen on the radio. The ignition must be in the on-run position to use this feature. Once activated, the massage controls will display on the radio. Here you can choose from different intensity levels and massage types. The front heated and ventilated seats, if equipped, can be controlled with the buttons on the center stack, below the radio, or through the touchscreen. Pushing the heated seat button multiple times will switch from high to medium, low, and off. Pushing the ventilated seat button works the same way. If the 2 second-row outboard seats are heated and ventilated, they can be operated independently with switches on the rear of the center console. The engine must be running to operate heated and ventilated seats. Keep in mind, power drivers and passenger seat positions, along with massage settings, side mirror positions, radio presets, and more, can be saved to a memory setting by pushing the S button on the driver's or passenger's door, then pushing one of the memory buttons. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.